This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. Beautiful townhouse being built by recent COVA magazine's best home builder EDC Homes. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, rec room, attached 2-car garage, 3 living levels, open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings throughout the house. James Hardie Plant siding, energy-efficient Pella windows, soft close cabinets and granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring and stain-resistant carpet, ceramic tile in primary ensuite shower. Ceiling fans in the living area and in all bedrooms. Only 2 blocks to the beach, near Little Creek Amphibious Base. Local restaurants and marinas. You can launch your kayak in minutes. Not all features shown either renders are standard. For more information, review the details below.